Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
UK recognizes Indian vaccine certificate, no quarantine for Covishield vaccinated travelers from October 11. On Thursday, UK announced that fully vaccinated Indian travelers will no longer have quarantine on entering the country. The new rule will come into effect on October 11. It is, however, only applicable for those who have been vaccinated with Covishield or any other UK-approved vaccine. Alex Ellis, British High Commissioner to India, posted from his official Twitter handle, "No quarantine for Indian travellers to UK fully vaccinated with Covishield or another UK-approved vaccine from 11th October. Thanks to Indian government for close cooperation over last month. India will be added to UK's list of countries and territories with approved proof of vaccination at 4 a.m. on Monday, October 11. Those who arrive in UK before October 11 will have to follow the rules. For people who are not fully vaccinated, on the other hand, those who arrive after October 11 can show their vaccination certificate to prove their vaccination status and avoid quarantine requirements. Mumbai drug case, Aryan Khan sent to judicial custody, then why is he spending the night at NCB office? On Thursday, a Mumbai court sent Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan along with 7 others accused in the Mumbai cruise drug case to 14 days in judicial custody. The Narcotics Control Bureau had sought an extension of its custody of the 8 accused till October 11. However, this was not granted by the court. When an accused is sent to judicial custody, the individual is usually kept in a prison and the process of securing bail becomes easier. But Aryan Khan, after leaving the court, was taken to NCB office for the night. The COVID-19 pandemic has ended new rules and protocol for jail inmates. Now, jail authorities do not take any accused after 6 p.m. without a fresh COVID-19 case report. Since Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate R.M. Nerlikar pronounced his order at around 7 p.m. on Thursday. Aryan Khan and the 7 others with him could not be sent to a prison in the city. On Friday at 11 a.m., the bail applications of Aryan Khan and other accused in the case will be heard in a section court. NCB sleuths said they seized 13 grams of cocaine, 5 grams of MD, 21 grams of charas, 22 piles of MDMA and rupees 1.33 lakh in cash during the raid. Security agencies had imposed 3 months ago about targeted killings in Kashmir sources. The security agencies had strong imposed 3 months ago about targeted killings of civilians in the Kashmir Valley. India today has learned militants have killed 7 civilians in the valley in the last 5 days. 4 were from minority communities. 6 deaths took place in Srinagar. According to the sources, the security agencies had imposed that the terrorists were targeting 3 groups: BJP, Apni Party and affiliates, minority Kashmiri Pandits and Sikhs, and pro-government voices from terrorists referred to as collaborators. Officials said that the terrorists were targeting people based on a pattern and the situation was suddenly looking grim. A senior officer said with these the terrorists have tried to stop the return of Kashmir Pandits by terrorizing those who have been staying in the Kashmir Valley. Most attacks took place in Srinagar, which saw 10 such incidents. This is followed by Pulwama and Anantnag with 4 incidents each.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.